Hey guys, Rahul here with Team Raj Jaggi. Today we're going to talk about ABT. What is that? What does ABT stand for? ABT stands for Always Be Training. In real estate with Team Raj Jaggi, a lot of agents come up to us. They ask, Rahul, how does your team train? How often do you guys meet? How often do you guys learn new training tips and topics? So one of our things is if professional athletes can train every day, then you as a top performing agent, you need to train every day as well. So us at Team Raj Jaggi, we believe in training every day. Every day we'll take a little snippet on how we can get better and how we can grow our business and how we can help change more lives. Other thing we have upcoming for our agents, especially in JRES, as well as those that are part of our team, is a 3-day workshop. 3-day workshop, 10 to 5 p.m. We're going to be sitting with our agents and we're going to be coaching them on everything they need to know. How to do sales, the timeline, how to earn at least 25% more commissions, how to net more money in your pocket, and how to grow and build your own powerful sales team. If you're an agent that's watching this video and you lack training and you want to know about how we're training and you want to get a behind the scene tour, feel free to reach out to us on the link below or give us a call at 516-996-3633. Again, it's 516-996-3633, and we would love to help you get more trained and become a better top producer. Thank you.